Hey everyone, welcome back to the TechLine channel. Today I'm reviewing a powerhouse in the world of robot cleaners, the Narwal Freo Z Ultra. This is no ordinary robot vacuum and mop. It has dual HD cameras, dual chips, groundbreaking AI, and so many unique features that aim to keep your floors spotless with minimal effort. Let's dive in and see what makes the Freo Z Ultra stand out from the crowd. First of all, let's do a quick unboxing. Right away, the packaging feels premium and everything is well organized. In the box, you'll find everything you need to get started: a pair of side brushes, a power cord for the base station, a bottle of floor detergent, an extension ramp, a dustbin filter, a 2.5 liters dust bag for the base station, a baseboard cleaning module with 3 baseboard racks, a replaceable insert bin, and a dedicated product manual to guide you through the setup and operation. One of the most impressive features of the Freo Z Ultra is its dual HD cameras combined with dual AI chips, allowing the robot to see your space in high-definition color and process what it detects in real time. This advanced AI doesn't just clean randomly, it evaluates its surroundings and makes instant cleaning decisions based on the type of mess it encounters. If it detects dust, it kicks in the suction mode. For liquid or sticky spills, it switches to mopping. And when it senses a larger mess, it deploys a matrix cleaning pattern, moving horizontally and vertically until the area is spotless. This adaptability is a real game changer, making adjustments on the fly so that no dirt or spill is left behind, even in high traffic areas. You can also take manual control, deciding whether it should vacuum and mop simultaneously, vacuum only, or vacuum first and then mop. The Freo Z Ultra's intelligent and responsive cleaning approach truly sets it apart. One feature I love is the advanced obstacle avoidance. The dual cameras and onboard AI aren't just for detecting dirt, they are also fantastic at identifying and dodging obstacles. The Freo Z Ultra can recognize over 120 different types of objects. This means it steers clear of pet accidents, delicate items, and small obstacles, avoiding them by up to 20 centimeters, while it can clean safely around furniture legs and close objects with just an 8mm buffer. And it's not just static obstacles, it reacts to unexpected hazards like a dropped glass or a moving pet in real time. For busy homes or households with kids and pets, this is incredibly useful for a seamless cleaning experience without accidents. Now let's talk about the docking station. The Freo Z Ultra's base station is ultra quiet, but it is also highly efficient, self-cleaning, and designed to keep mop pads as fresh as possible.
Started to prepare electrolyzed water.
This station doesn't just empty the dustbin, it cleans the mop heads between cycles. The AI detects mop contaminants and cleans the mop heads between 40 and 60 degrees Celsius to flush out grease and dirt without risking damage. Then it goes up to 75 degrees Celsius to ensure everything is sanitized. This self-maintaining system includes a 2.5 liters dust bag that holds up to 120 days of compressed dirt, so you're set for several months of hands-free cleaning. Plus, the base station self-cleans and dries itself, so you don't have to worry about unpleasant smells or buildup over time. When it comes to vacuuming power, the Freo Z Ultra is very impressive. It boasts a high-level 12,000 Pascal suction, one of the strongest on the market. Despite this power, it operates at a low noise level, pairing that strength with a certified tangle-free brush to tackle dirt and pet hair without a hitch. It lifts dust and debris from carpets and hard-to-reach crevices, all while gliding quietly across your floors. Thanks to edge swing technology, the Freo Z Ultra can clean right up to the wall, ensuring there is no line of dirt left behind. And it even comes with a unique baseboard cleaning module that tackles dirt on vertical surfaces, removing grime from places that are often overlooked. Let's dive in a little deeper into the mopping side of things because the Freo Z Ultra really stands out here. It's equipped with dual mop heads that press down with 1.2 kilograms of force, and they are not just dragging along the floor, they are scrubbing at 180 RPM. That power means it's not leaving any streaks behind and it can tackle even the most stubborn stains without much trouble. Plus, the mop heads are triangular, which sounds like a small thing, but it actually makes a big difference. They can reach right up to the edges of walls and into corners, so you're not left with that line of grime most robot mops tend to miss. What really surprised me though is how smart the mopping system is. After each pass, the Freo Z Ultra doesn't just assume the floor is clean, it actually checks the wastewater to see if there is still dirt in it. If the water isn't clear, the robot takes that as a sign that it's not finished and it goes back over the floor to make sure it's spotless. For me, this level of detail is unexpected in a robot cleaner. It's like having a live-in cleaner that's a little bit of a perfectionist. It's not just doing the minimum, it's making sure every inch of the floor is as clean as it can be. This added check-in with the wastewater shows that Narwal put a lot of thought into how to make a robot mop that doesn't just cover ground, but actually achieves a higher level of cleanliness. Before you can start using the robot, it needs to map your home. For my apartment, this took about 5 minutes. On the home screen, you can see your device and access a list of shortcuts which you can customize. For example, you can set it to clean a specific area on a particular day. You can also view a map of your apartment in different modes, including a 2D and 3D mode. The 3D mode looks especially cool and it gives you a better sense of space. From there, you can select a specific room or zone to clean. You can choose between different modes such as vacuum and mop, vacuum then mop, vacuum only, or mop only. The app also offers unique editing options for rooms that I haven't seen on any other robot vacuum app. You can add furniture and appliances, choose specific furniture types, set no-go zones, and mark heavily soiled areas for deeper cleaning. In the app, you can also control the base station functions like starting or stopping the mop and dust bag drying cycles, initiating dust collection, and checking the dust bag's health index. There is even a wash mop option to keep the mop pads ready for the next job. It's a convenient way to manage maintenance directly from your phone. One unique feature is the ability to view the camera live, record video, take pictures, and even use a two-way talk feature.
Hey, how are you today?
You can use this for fun or as a mobile security camera that's always password protected, so only you have access. This interface also lets you control the robot manually, allowing you to clean any area of your home on demand. There are tons of settings, tweaks, and adjustments to explore. This is by far the most feature-packed robot vacuum app I've tried, and I'm really impressed with it. So, what's my final verdict on the Narwal Freo Z Ultra? After testing it thoroughly, I can say it's easily one of the most advanced and thorough robot vacuum and mops available. It combines powerful cleaning with intelligent decision-making, making it suitable for all kinds of messes and floor types. The dual HD cameras and obstacle avoidance make sure it's navigating around my furniture and even my pets without missing a spot. The real-time cleaning decisions and the self-maintaining dock are perfect for anyone who wants a truly hands-off experience. And with 12,000 Pascal suction and a powerful mopping function, the Freo Z Ultra leaves my floors as close to spotless as I've seen with a robot cleaner. Whether you have a busy household or just want a reliable, high-tech cleaning assistant, the Narwal Freo Z Ultra is a fantastic choice. Thanks for watching. If this review helped you out, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth reviews. Thanks for watching and happy cleaning!